Hey, it's Dr. Stan Harris, known as Dr. Breakthrough. One of the most powerful breakthroughs I've experienced lately is this new Genius Club. Listen, the new AI tool. Oh my goodness. James was working with me on one of my courses, and he said, Doc, you don't have a trailer. And literally, he walked me through and said, let me show you something. He demonstrated, and literally in about 4 minutes, there was the most beautiful, powerful trailer that has ever been created. I was like, James, I would join again with the great discovery just for this one tool. Every business, every product, every system, my friend, would do well to use this powerful tool. And I'm telling you, my friend, it's going to create breakthroughs for so many people, my friend, in such a short amount of time. It's going to help create what I call CLO, and that is Chief Leveraging Officer. Archimedes said, if I had a lever long enough and a prop strong enough, I could single-handedly move the world. This new AI Genius Club tool just might be that. So let me demonstrate, my friend, and show you. I did a meeting and James assisted me. And don't try this, my friend, but here I am laying on a bed of nails, and James is breaking bricks off my stomach with a sledgehammer while I'm laying on the nails. Now, you won't be able to do that with this new Genius tool, but my friend, that's one of the things that I do. And so, again, my friend, hurry up, get started with this new tool. And I'm telling you, my friend, like I like to say, it's going to get you fired up, my friend. And you won't be able to break bricks like this, but you will be on fire. And this tool is going to help you to break through some things. So get it now, get your teams involved. And I'm telling you, you're going to be able to reach more people more effectively with this powerful tool. My name is Dr. Stan Harris. They call me Dr. Breakthrough, and I approve this message.